So, hello everybody. As I said yesterday, I created the Aeronautical Association this year during my internship of second years of my study on science, mediation and communication. And the aim of this association is to explain wind turbine in school. So, what is the background? Climate change. So France needs to be divided for greenhouse gas emission by 2050. So to do this, France decided to set up an energy transition, actually based on two pillars, saving energy and renewable energy development. And in 2020, France wanted to achieve 10% wind turbines of national production. So in this context, Aeronautical can be seen as a tool for understand and indirectly for increase the acceptance of wind turbine by citizens. I will develop ideological goals of Aeronautical at the end of my presentation. So, Aeronautical is creating worksheet and educational materials wind turbines. We create worksheet on wind turbine involving different subjects, for example in math or physics. Then this is released on internet, where they can be downloaded for free by teachers or students. We are actually developing an educational wind turbine inspired by Figures wind turbines. So, in Aeronautical, we pay particular attention to the link between our educational materials and school program. So, in each of our worksheet, we can find different elements of a curriculum of a given class. We are here a support for teachers. For example, we will use wind turbine to explain DC or AC. So the difference between the AC and DC. We also want to develop multidisciplinary projects involving several types of education. So, for example, build a wind turbine in technology class, create the style of this turbine in visual art class, studying an appropriate location in geography, write a notice in French, or test the turbine in physics. So and now I will speak briefly about our first intervention in the school, so that you have an overview of what we can be discussed when talking about wind turbines. So I started in March an application for 5 lessons and practical work of 2 hours each on wind turbines in physics and chemistry with students who are 16 years old. So, I began to talk about wind to finish to talk about electricity and rectifier. So, during the first course, we study wind, what is created. We study the relationship between temperature and air pressure, the influence on the soil, sea and land not absorb in the same way the heat of the sun. And we study also Coriolis effect, so the influence of the rotation of the Earth. In the second courses, we study the conversion to kinetic energy winds into mechanical energy of the wind turbines. So we study the various winds applied on the blade, and we study also lift effect like the flag. In the third course, we study the conversion of mechanical energy to electricity, and we build wind turbines. We just review basic electricity, what is the voltage, what is the current, what is etc. Then we study battery, so to see how we could store the electricity. We study balance equations or the transfers of electrons. During the last courses, we study rectifier, and we also test the wind turbine. We go outside. It was very a lot of wind, and we test this turbine. And the student can see the electromagnetic waves. So, for this application, we use a wind turbine of white metals created by Clément Jolin, like this. It's not a very educational or practical wind turbine because it's too big. So after this experience, we decided to develop a smaller and more educational wind turbine. All of educational wind turbines on the market actually have a bird generator. So this way generator is hidden in the box. Students can't see how electricity is created. It remains a mystery to them. So we wanted to create a generator part which is educational. With this generator, students can see copper coil or magnet. This turbine is adjustable. You can put more or less copper, magnet, or blades, and students can test different types of wind turbines. With this educational wind turbine, we wanted to show that it's possible to build a wind turbine itself. But finally, what we changed with this legislation? I said at the beginning of my presentation that theoretically explain wind turbine is good and also increase the acceptability of it by citizens. But that is the only goal. I think we should go further, and especially to show another vision for the state, which is like France, which is too simplistic for my opinion. We're talking always about big wind turbines, which must be greater. I think it's very important to show that there are other wind turbines, small wind turbine, which is easy to build, to show that we have the power to create a wind turbine. That I really want to transmit in your lecture. In addition, renewable energy is not just technique, they are also social. So I think we need to get a reflection in this energy in our work, and I am actually developing discussion that we should take at the beginning of course to get students to ask questions about energy. Thanks for your attention.
Okay.